Hey guys, so progress is rarely a straight line. Hey, I'm just an average guy trying to make $100,000 online only using things like Amazon and YouTube, and I'm posting about it every day until I do. Yesterday on Amazon and my 3 monetized YouTube channels, I made $143.19. That brings my total over 170 days to $15,626.72, and my average now is $91.92. But it's not a straight line to this progress to this point right here. I always record all of my numbers in this notebook right here, and if you look back the last few days, you can see that a lot of my days lately have been way under my average. See that? But today's actually brings the average up a little bit. In fact, over the last month and a half or so, my average has been going down slightly rather than up, and that might make some people nervous. But the thing is, progress isn't a straight line. The reason my average is as high as it is, $90-something, is mainly because of one day, a month and a half ago, made $1,800 in one day. And the thing is, there's going to be up days, there's going to be down days, and this is just how it works. Most days are going to be under my average because there's high days that bring up that average quite a bit. And I do know that there's going to be some higher days coming up, not $1,800 high, but high enough to bring my average up a little bit. So I look forward to those. I'm not worried about the down days because I know that there's better days to come. Hey, I just wanted you to know that if I can do it, you can do it too. I'm just an average guy.